This is Next Weather.
Ivan, did I read that right? 133 degrees in Death Valley?
Yes.
No way.
Out west, yeah. I mean, it's brutal here. Now, we don't get close to that, but 105 to 110 feels like temperatures we've hit around 115 over the weekend. 78 degrees right now. This is great stuff. And of course, obviously, you can't get that here in South Florida in late July without rainfall. We've had plenty of it today. Still feels like 81, so not too far away from our actual temperature. We hit a high of 94 before we crashed into the 70s here with all the rainfall that has been falling here. Now we just have this big canopy of clouds. Hard to get rid of these showers now once we heavily rain like this through the afternoon. You see the numbers there, 82 in Fort Lauderdale. Let's take you on a tour here. Still looking at this flood advisory continues in effect for a few more minutes for street flooding as a result of 1 to 3 inches that fell there. And that's been a common theme throughout the afternoon. Not only was it heavy rainfall, but also accompanied with some significant winds. Miami Lakes, you folks got 51 mile-an-hour wind gusts earlier this afternoon. And there it is right along the metro and continuing down towards Homestead. Had a little break towards Broward, and then we had that late cell that moved through northeastern parts of Broward County. There are the rest of the temperatures. Look at Marathon there, 94, 91 in Key West, where we haven't rained. And there, of course, the triple digits continue as far as the heat. We'll get rid of this rainfall heading into the next hour. The model's struggling, but it's going to diminish, and it's just going to be just showers left over for the rest of the evening. We're looking pretty good. So interesting with the pattern here next few days. Tomorrow and Wednesday have a similar day. We'll get plenty of showers and thunderstorms here, but a stronger southeast wind is going to bring us earlier rain, I think, for Wednesday. Not so much tomorrow, and I'll show you that on Rain Tracker. And then we have to look upstream. The Saharan dust got a plume on the way. This one's going to mean business here. I think it's going to all but shut down our rain chances beginning Friday and especially through the weekend. And that, as you know, is going to set us up for some very, very hot temperatures here. Looking at mid, I wouldn't be surprised if we get upper 90s on the thermometer for Saturday and Sunday. Let's get Rain Tracker going through tomorrow. There you see numerous showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon. We'll continue with tropical air mass here, so the thunderstorms will be capable of producing some heavy rainfall. And there's that stronger southeast flow. Look at that for Wednesday morning. Few showers coming in, so this is a little backward, right? Between 6 and 9 a.m., a line of showers and even some thunderstorms continuing to propagate north and west. So that's going to be a bit of a change for us before we then start shutting rain chances down, I think, by the time we get into Thursday. In the tropics, we have what's left of Don meandering. It's going to do spins here and circles over the next few days. This thing's closer to the Azores than anything else, not going to bother anyone. And then we have that plume of Saharan dust that I've been talking about. That's the one I'm tracking coming in on Thursday. But we have a vigorous tropical wave off of Africa that's coming in. I'll monitor this for potential slow development. There's a lot of dust out there, but the wind shear is low. You see that spin coming in towards the end of the period here. This is for early next week. We could have some tropical downpours for our good friends in the Lesser Antilles. That's all right now. Nothing imminent, nothing threatening, certainly to us. As far as the rain chances for tomorrow at 50%, we'll begin to drop these numbers. You'll see them there, particularly on Thursday, Friday, and then look at the weekend. 30% coverage. We'll be begging for showers and storms with temps 96 both days.